Today, Bridge Bike's about CAD, picking it, setting it up, and doing our first drawings. It's time to talk computer-aided design, otherwise known as CAD. We're going to use CAD to design the Bridge Bike. Today we're going to go get one of those CAD systems and we're going to do a first drawing. The most fundamental thing I needed from a CAD system was accessibility. What I've decided to do is use Autodesk's Fusion 360. You can get an annual license for a moderate price. There's an extensive number of training videos online on YouTube and in other forums that'll teach you how to use it. So I'm going to the Autodesk website, and there you'll see on their front page that they would have a variety of projects. I will click on the Fusion 360 Learn More. It's time to go buy it. So what Autodesk says here now is that my order is processing and will send you an email when your software is available. Fusion 360 finished the download and now it's wanting me to sign in. Now, I know it's parametric. I know it's got some basic concepts of you do drawings on a plane and then you do extrusion. I think I'm going to take a minute and start with some preferences. I probably won't bore you with the details of that. But all right, Fusion 360, here's the design screen. I have to admit, when I go to this screen, that I have gotten a head start. I've looked at a bunch of training videos, not in the last few days, so I've forgotten a fair amount, but have some idea how Fusion 360 works. Pan, 2 fingers down, left, right. Zoom, 2 fingers down, in and out. Orbit is shift. Oh, very nice. What I want to put in the test is the Popsicle stick prototype. This bad boy. To measure a popsicle stick, we need a popsicle stick measuring stick. Put something in my document. Width, direction, and height, or 2-point rectangle for the diagonal corners. Or I can do a center rectangle. Does undo work the way I think? Okay, great. Undo works the way I think. I assume this is going to work. 2-point circle? What's a 2-point circle? 3-point circle? But we're done with circles. So we're going to do it again. It knows to do that. I like it. Oops. That is a popsicle stick. I thought I knew how to orbit it. There was something up here. Orbit. Oh, shift. Woo! Now we have a popsicle stick. So, oh, there's a help menu. If only I knew where it was. It's time now for me to cry uncle and go find a few training videos. And I'll go online. I'm going to put links to the various useful training videos and people who were particularly useful who posted videos on that. If you've got comments about the places we might go to look to learn at, that'd be terrific. Thanks. See you in a minute. I've looked at 2 tutorials and I'll put the links to those 2 videos there. I'm going to use things from those videos. Fusion 360 is a little bit different than just running a computer program on my laptop. It's a client to a web interface, and so it has a few slightly different conventions about how you move around, how you select things, how you know the context, and it just takes a moment to get used to it. It was really close before to being able to do it. It was just missing a few little tiny things. I think my first try wasn't so bad, so if you're along for the ride with me learning the Fusion 360, I just created a component, if you will. So far we've loaded the CAD software. We've gotten a little bit of drawing done to get a little bit familiar with the user interface, and next time we're going to try and build some components and make them work together.